Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Academy. In this module, we are going to learn about how to install plugin on your QGIS. QGIS has been designed basically with a plugin architecture, because of which it allows many new features and functions to be easily added to the applications. Some of the features in QGIS are actually implemented as plugins. The plugins are implemented either as a core plugins or external plugins. Core plugins. These are some of the core plugins. Core plugins are maintained by QGIS development team and are automatically part of every QGIS distribution. Whereas external plugins are stored either in an official QGIS repository, which is the given site, and are maintained by the individual author, and some other important information are in the official repository. You can select on this, it will shows detail about the plugins. And now how to install them on QGIS. On the menu you will see plugins, click on that. After clicking on that, you will see manage and install plugins, select it. You will obtain the plugin dialog, which will allow you to install, uninstall and upgrade plugins in different ways. Here are 4 options: all, installed, install from zip, settings. In all, you will see both core and external plugins on your QGIS application. These are some of the plugins that are on the QGIS. On install, you will see some of the install plugins that I have installed on my QGIS applications, such as Autosaver, Attribute Painter, and the mostly used plugins, external plugins for me is semi-automatic classifications plugin, which makes the work on Landsat image much easier, and the other is GPS tools, which is used for exporting or importing data, GPS data into QGIS application, and install from zip. You can install your plugins from zip file. You can download the zip file from the official repository, where you will get an option to download the latest QGIS external plugins. After selecting on download latest, you will obtain your zip file on your downloads, and you similarly export your zip file over here, and you can install plugins from that file. In settings, there is some choices that you can make, such as check for an update, so also experimental plugins, some of the plugins that are not officially available for you, and in this way you can install the plugins as per your need or uninstall them by selecting on this individual plugin, and such as by selecting on an individual plugins and clicking on an uninstall plugin. In this way you can install and uninstall plugins on your QGIS. And if you like our videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.